Welcome to Prajwal's Destiny channel. In previous videos, we have covered carbon planets and we have explored some of the most disturbing carbon planets. So today, we are going to explore the same carbon planet that we have covered. Okay, welcome to PSR J2322-2650b. This exoplanet sits roughly 1 million miles away from its star, which means the gravity is so violent that it stretches the planet in a shape like a lemon. Rule number 1 of astronomy: planets are sphere. Gravity pulls everything into a perfect ball. But 2650b breaks rule number 1. It's an ellipsoid. It's shaped like a football or lemon. Scientists call it a lemon-shaped exoplanet. It has a diameter of 173,000 miles and has a temperature in day side that reaches up to 2000 degrees Celsius, while the night side is only freezes at minus 600 degrees Celsius. The pressure on this exoplanet is so great that it turns carbon into diamonds. Means the planet has intense diamond rain, endless diamond rains. Not only this exoplanet has diamond rain, we even have planets where it rains diamonds, like on Uranus and Neptune. On Uranus and Neptune, there are thought to be a diamond oceans, and there are also diamonds in the atmosphere. But 2650b is a different and deadly exoplanet. Its orbital tilt is 30 degrees and it completes one full orbit around its star in just 7.5 days, while the fastest planet in our solar system, Mercury, completes 88 Earth days. PSR J2322-2650b single rotation or 1 Earth day, 3.08 Earth hours. So now this planet orbits pulsar. The pulsar is stretching it. The gravitational pull is so strong that the planet is literally pulling apart. This planet is also tidal locked, means one side faces a star and the other side is turned away. Sun facing side is stretched and elongated in a lemon shaped. This shape is very, very strange. And today we are going to explore PSR J2322-2650b. So let us explore. So when you fall into the atmosphere, the air is hot, visibility pulls up. It is surrounded by a dense fog glowing in a reddish light. The clouds on the planet are pinkish red, but the sky is actually red. You cannot see the pulsar, but the pulsar emits deadly kinds of radiations. In just a few minutes, your visor starts showing you a death symbol. You experience intense radiation coming from the host star and you are in a life-ending breach. But this is far from the worst part. We know that the crushing pressure on PSR J2322-2650b is so extreme, even more extreme than the surface pressure of Venus. But PSR J2322-2650b doesn't have a solid surface. It's a Jupiter gas giant. Even though it's hotter than traced to be, this planet is not a hot Jupiter. When you descend very well, then the crushing pressure would become even more unbearable.
Shields failing, radiation critical. Must maneuver through the storm.
Intense tidal disruptions and intense gravity. Then your glass breaks. The magnetic field of PSR J2322-2650b and the neutron star are extremely destructive. Both magnetic fields are extremely destructive. So the radiations would quickly damage your DNA. You might be burned alive or you might be cooked, but not now. Now this time, the winds are so violent that it could dwarf 2000 100 kilometers per hour Neptune's winds. And then your glass breaks. High energy particles coming from the neutron star hits your space suit, but they are so tiny that they can straightly enter your spacesuit and cook your organs. Then the intense heat would boil your every conditions. Your glass breaks. You shout so much painful. You are hit by X-rays and gamma rays coming from the neutron star. You are dead within seconds. However, your death is likely in a skeletal form. Yeah, you might have just become a skeleton. I think talking about one in the universe, it's very deadly. I am giving PSR J2322-2650b a 3 out of 10. Just taking so many points and also taking 1 point because it killed you. Due to extreme radiations and intense ultraviolet light, you cannot survive a minute on this planet. Thank you for watching and watch the carbon planets. I have explained you earlier in the videos. Or click the video instead. Or click on this video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, guys.